छापता है ये आदमी, कुछ भी छापता है।
अरे यार, इसने किताब लिखनी शुरू की थी योगा पर, लेकिन जाने ये कैसे मैन्युअल ऑफ सेक्स बन गया।
ओ, पर भाई मुझे एक बात समझ में नहीं आई।
हाँ बोल बोल।
ये दुनिया इसकी इतनी तारीफ क्यों करती है?
क्योंकि तुम जैसे स्टूपिड लोग पढ़ते हो।
तूने अभी भी मुझे स्टूपिड बोल दिया, मतलब मैं स्टूपिड हो गया? ना 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 ना, मैं तो यहाँ सिर्फ वात्सायन की किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ, लेकिन तूने तो वात्सायन के साथ जाके शर्त लगा ली, तो कौन हुआ स्टूपिड?
तो क्या मेरी गलती है?
बिल्कुल तेरी गलती है।
मैंने तो सोचा था कि लोग हमें बेवकूफ समझते हैं, शर्त लगाऊंगा शर्त जीत जाएंगे और लोग हमें स्मार्ट समझेंगे।
नहीं रो मत, रो मत। सुन, हम अब शर्त जीत जाएंगे।
मे बी। हाँ मे बी यस, मे बी नो, मे बी यस, मे बी नो, मे बी यस, मे बी नो, मे बी
Dear cruel world, no place for a person like me. इसलिए मैं तुम्हें छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ। Goodbye. थोड़ा छोटा हो गया ना? It's okay. Draft 2. Dear cruel world, you've only given me misery since the day I was born. 1st October 1994. The only thing I truly loved was Ananya. पर तुमने उससे भी मुझसे छीन लिया। I can't bear to live without her. But I don't bear any ill. And I'm doing this out of my own free will. Rhyming?
What you gotta do?
Anyways. Cheers. Aditya. नहीं। Regard Aditya. Yours truly, Aditya.
बेटर लाल, कौन बेवकूफ इंसान अपना सुसाइड नोट मोबाइल फोन पे रिकॉर्ड करता है और उसके बाद उसी के साथ कूद भी जाता है? मतलब हड्डियां तो टूटे होंगी और साथ साथ ये फोन भी चकनाचूर हो जाएगा, तो इसे देखेगा कौन? What a bloody waste.
I'm a loser. मैं ठीक से मर भी नहीं सकता हूँ यार।
But why were you doing this?
यार और कोई रास्ता ही नहीं है ना।
What if I tell you that there is a way?
I can have Annie.
It's not that easy and simple, better Lal. For this, you have to seek knowledge. You have to earn respect. Then you can have happiness and Annie.
मुझे सिखाएगा कौन? तुम?
I've been trying hard and failing always. In your case. और अब जो आखिरी रास्ता बचा है ना, वो सबसे खतरनाक है, क्योंकि तू इन्वॉल्व है इसमें।
क्या?
मुझे अपना सारा ज्ञान, अपनी सारी नॉलेज तुझे देनी होगी।
No more rituals, no तांडव. I'm going.
बेटर लाल, कोई रिचुअल, कोई तांडव नहीं है। Understand? With great power comes great responsibility.
Spider-Man.
No, Uncle Ben. He said that.
Pizza.
कमाल है बेटर लाल। इश्क, प्यार, मोहब्बत, काम, इश्क की मस्ती में मार कायनात, इश्क सरापा यकी, इश्क सरापा हयात। वाह, बहुत खूबसूरत लाइन है।
किसकी है?
मेरी नहीं है लेकिन बहुत अच्छी हैं और सच्ची हैं। बात बोलूं बेटा, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि यू हैव अ गुड हार्ट एंड यू जेन्युइनली लव हर। मैं ये भी जानता हूँ कि आई मे बी क्रिएटिंग अ मॉन्स्टर बट आई हैव नो चॉइस, क्योंकि तुम्हारा दिल अच्छा है और तुम एक बहुत ही स्वीट इडियट हो, इसलिए आई विल बेस्टो ऑल माय पावर्स ऑन यू।
My God. All this time you had this raw power lurking in you and you never shared it with anyone?
पीटर लाल, कामसूत्र के एक एक पन्ने का रचैया है ये वात्सायन।
पर आजकल इसको कौन समझता है? This. What you just shown me, what you just given me. There's a whole new play.
हर एक लफ्ज, हर एक शब्द इसके एक एक पन्ने में लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन बेटर लाल तुम जैसे बच्चे इसको ठीक से पढ़ना नहीं जानते।
Whatever. I feel like Superman just learned to fly. मुझे इन पावर्स को टेस्ट करना है।
ना बेटर लाल ना। These powers are not exercised by the use of them. These powers are exercised by not using them. Till now, you have only learned to control women. But उससे you will get nowhere. औरतों को कंट्रोल नहीं करना चाहिए, उनको समझना चाहिए। Whenever a woman manifests her love or desire, either by signs or by the motions of her body, and if these are afterwards never or rarely repeated anywhere,
And if a woman is met for the first time, a man has to get a go-between to approach her. Yeah. And I've got all the time in the world to understand them. But right now, it's Kama Sutra time. और ये जो लूट है ना, जो तुम हेवन के लिए बचा के रखी, और I'll take this back. Yeah? See you. वैसे, if you could do this, why didn't you do it when we first met?
because I did not want to give you these powers till you understood them correctly.
And do I understand now?
You better.
That was a trick question. सब कुछ समझता हूँ. Everything. And who's this Peter? Call me Master. I'll be late. Don't wait up. और ये clear कर देना.
Yes, master.
Anand, no, I'm good, yeah. Fine.
Hi.
Why are you here?
To tell you that I love you.
No. Not more. I'm just done. I can't keep.
Annie, look. मुझे कंप्लीट तो करने दो. You're always in a rush. I'm just here to tell you that I love you. And I always will. But I want you to be happy. Yeah, and that means a lot to me. और अगर तुम्हें वो खुशी मेरे साथ नहीं मिलती, then so be it. Look, it'll be hard for me, yeah? Waking up without you. Going without our cute phone lunches. You used to tell me everything you ate, yeah? Even the chutneys. And you remember our first date? You wore those stilettos. I couldn't even pronounce them, and they were so big you almost fell. Look, Annie, हमारी relationship में अभी तक you've done the thinking for the both of us, and it's got us so far. और अगर तुमने सब सोच समझ के ये decision लिया है, then I'll respect your judgment on this as well. Honestly, thank you for being a part of my life. I can't tell you how much happiness you brought me, and take care, okay? Always stay the same.
Adi, wait. At least buy me a damn coffee.
Okay. Anand. Fat-free mocha latte, brown sugar. Oh yeah, and the leaf drawn to perfection.
You remember my drink?
मैं तो अपने लिए order कर रहा था. You want one? Anand, make that two.
My. Someone's changed. An Adi who speaks his mind and who has a sense of humor.
Nothing's changed, Danny. कुछ भी नहीं बदला है यार. This is the Adi of old. And I'm like this just because you've made me this. You're responsible for everything that I am, Annie.
Maybe the coffee can wait.
That's what I was thinking.
Ouch, Adi. My legs are hurting here.
It was a tricky pose.
Tricky? Oh my god. That was so good. Where did you get these moves, huh?
Huh? I've been learning.
Well, good for us. We're gonna have a blast.
Not us, darling.
What do you mean?
मुझे लगता है, maybe you were right. Maybe we shouldn't be together.
What are you saying?
I'm just saying you're one fish in a sea that has infinite bounty. I'm saying we shouldn't be together. And this is what rejection feels like.
Wait. Adi, don't be silly. Adi, listen to me. When you came to me in the cafe and said what you said, and the way you said it, you've stolen my heart. I realized I was wrong. I hurt you. But you forgave me. You accepted me with my shortcomings. You just made me realize how wrong I was. I love you. Adi, my life is incomplete without you. I know for 3 years I did not realize this is my share of love. Finally, when I got it, don't snatch this away from me. Don't go. Please. I love you, Adi. I want you back.
अनन्या, जाते वक्त दरवाजा बंद कर देना. And softly. Don't forget.
Adi!
seriously, Vatsan, whose side are you on? उस आदित्य की side ले रहे हो तुम? I thought you were like this cool dude, chiller, but you're like just another guy. ये मत करो, वो मत पहनो, ये मत पियो. मतलब हद है यार. Do you guys even know what we women want?
Bro, you chill. अरे भाई प्रॉब्लम ये है कि तुम लोग मेरी किताब में क्या लिखा है आप पढ़ते ही नहीं हो. सदियों पहले मैंने लिखा है कि a man who does nothing will enjoy no happiness.
But will Ananya find her happiness?
He turned a total dweeb into a 5-star lady killer. He lost her forever.
Close your eyes.
Player 2. Ready, master.
उसने सारे rules तोड़ दिए और he's not supposed to interfere with women because that is the domain of the divine themselves.
I think he's going to get it.
Nothing that can keep our bodies apart. When we make love, we also make art. I love to feel your love. Kama Sutra, the art of making love.